Can you lose SpotMe on Chime? Yo, what's up, Money Squad? Ever had that heart-stopping moment when you swipe your card, expecting a smooth transaction, only to be met with the dreaded insufficient funds message? And then, out of nowhere, a financial superhero named SpotMe swoops in to save the day. But what if I told you this hero isn't always around? That's right, you might be wondering, can you actually lose SpotMe on Chime? Let's dive in. I know, it's not the most exciting topic, but trust me, understanding this can save you a world of financial stress. So, grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's break down everything you need to know about SpotMe and its potential disappearance act. First things first, SpotMe is essentially Chime's overdraft protection. It's a pretty sweet deal, right? You can overdraw your account by a certain amount, and Chime covers you. No fees, no drama. But here's the thing, SpotMe isn't a guaranteed perk. It's something you earn, not something you're entitled to. So, how do you earn SpotMe? Well, it's all about building trust with Chime. They want to see that you're a reliable customer who's using their services consistently. One of the biggest factors is direct deposits. Regular, recurring direct deposits of at least $200 are like gold to Chime. The more you deposit, the higher your chances of getting a bigger SpotMe limit. But that's not all. Chime also looks at your account activity. They want to see that you're using your Chime account for your everyday spending. The more you use it, the more they trust you. And trust, as we know, is the foundation of any good relationship, including your relationship with your bank. So, what happens if you don't meet Chime's criteria? Well, your SpotMe limit could be reduced, or in the worst-case scenario, you could lose SpotMe altogether. It's like getting grounded from your favorite video game. Not fun. But don't panic. There's hope. If you've lost your SpotMe, it's not the end of the world. You can work your way back into Chime's good graces by increasing your direct deposits and using your Chime account more frequently. It might take some time, but consistency is key. Now, let's talk about some common misconceptions about SpotMe. A lot of people think that once you have SpotMe, it's yours to keep, no matter what. Wrong. As we've established, SpotMe is a privilege, not a right. It can be taken away if you don't meet Chime's requirements. Another misconception is that SpotMe is a loan. It's not. It's more like a safety net. Chime is essentially covering your overdraft until your next paycheck comes in. And unlike a loan, you don't have to pay interest on it. So, there you have it. SpotMe is a fantastic tool to have in your financial arsenal, but it's important to understand that it's not guaranteed. By understanding how SpotMe works and what factors affect your eligibility, you can take steps to protect your access to this valuable perk. Remember, building a good financial foundation takes time and effort. Chime is just one tool in your financial toolkit. Use it wisely, and you'll be well on your way to financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on stacking that cash.